known as North Florida's hub for world-class research and emerging technologies. Innovation Park is a dynamic and collaborative community. The research park sits just 25 miles from the Gulf Coast with port access points at Port Panama City, known as the Gulf Coast Gateway, and the Port of Jacksonville, the United States' newest port. With over 30 organizations ranging from preeminent university research facilities to specialty manufacturing companies, as well as state and federal government research facilities, Innovation Park is a global hotspot for cutting-edge science. Located on 208 acres of scenic woods and rolling hills in Northwest Florida, Innovation Park is optimally positioned within close proximity to the Tallahassee International Airport, the Florida Gulf and Atlantic Railroad, and major roadways including Interstate 10 and the local beltway, Capitol Circle. The local university campuses of Florida A&M University, Florida State University, and Tallahassee Community College, as well as the Florida State Capitol Complex, located in downtown Tallahassee, are less than 10 minutes away from the park. The Leon County Research and Development Authority oversees Innovation Park, which is comprised of properties owned by either the Leon County Research and Development Authority, Florida A&M University, Florida State University, or private entities. Spanning across 208 acres of land, the park is adjacent to the Seminole Legacy Golf Course, one of the country's premier university golf courses. The club recently completed a comprehensive renovation led by the famed Jack Nicklaus Design Company. The Collins Building has approximately 23,000 square feet of available space that includes wet labs, shared conference rooms, and office space. The current residents are the Florida Department of Agriculture and Consumer Services and the Leon County Research and Development Authority. The only facility of its kind in the United States, the National High Magnetic Field Laboratory, is the largest and highest-powered magnet laboratory in the world. Every year, more than 1,000 scientists from dozens of countries come to use the unique magnets with the support of highly experienced staff scientists and technicians. The Mag Lab. Immediately adjacent to the park is the joint university FAMU-FSU College of Engineering with over 2,500 students. Tallahassee has the largest concentration of high-tech entrepreneurs in the state of Florida. The High Performance Materials Institute is a multidisciplinary research institute at FSU and has a complete set of state-of-the-art processing, testing, characterization, and computing facilities for materials, composites, and nanocomposite research. Danfoss is the leading manufacturer of oil-free compressors and the pioneer of the Danfoss Turbo-Core compressor, the world's first oil-free magnetic bearing compressor for the HVAC industry. The company's Application Development Center serves as a research and development center for future innovation and product development. The North Florida Innovation Labs Incubator will be a new 40,000 square foot facility located on 3.5 acres in Innovation Park, focused on helping hard science and high-tech companies pioneer new technologies and create jobs, putting the Tallahassee region at the forefront of innovation. As the first mixed-use business incubator of its kind in the region, the facility will include wet labs, a tissue and bioculture room, areas for engineering and light manufacturing, as well as space for prototype development. These features, along with Innovation Park's supporting education, coaching, and mentoring programs, will work in collaboration with many other entrepreneurial resources in the region. Innovation Park in Tallahassee-Leon County offers an excellent opportunity for your business. Lot 1F7E is located on the northwest side of Innovation Park on Van Ness Court and has driveway access at the cul-de-sac. This undeveloped parcel is 9.4 acres with 5.33 acres of developable land. In each conceptual site plan, the building faces south with front parking on the south side with loading dock systems located at the west side of the building. The Building 1 concept features a two-story, 32,528 gross square foot building on approximately 1.9 acres of developed land with 170 parking spaces. The Building 2 concept offers a two-story contemporary building design on 1.47 acres of developed land with a 7,500 square foot building footprint and 13,210 gross square feet of office and light manufacturing space with 120 parking spaces provided. For more information on Innovation Park and other opportunities in our community, contact the Office of Economic Vitality today.